Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We'll do a full market overview essentially, and just talking about what's going on with Bitcoin right now. Obviously, not obviously, but yesterday and the day before, what started is a little bit more of bearish momentum for Bitcoin, right? Which was also needed because, essentially. Since Thursday last week, Bitcoin has only been bullish, right, until Tuesday evening. So since then, we've been a bit bearish, but that's also good. The price cannot keep going up forever, all right? So this is, this was to be expected. We talked about this in the last couple of days. And I think it will continue. I mean, just in general, if you look at Bitcoin right now, and we'll take a look at different statistics during the video. But if you look at it now, you'll see that the open interest right here has had quite a significant drop. Yesterday we had a bit of a pump and dump actually, because from this support level here at 43,200, we got a big spike followed by a drop. All right, and ever since the open interest has practically been flat. All right, the open interest right now is at around 13.55 billion. That's been the level for the last at least for the totality of today. All right, so that means that it's relatively low, and that in combination with Bitcoin just having reached a major resistance level, and the fact that a pullback, like I said earlier, is just healthy, it makes me believe that this will continue. I mean, there's no reason for me to expect right now that Bitcoin would shoot straight back up. All right, I mean, sure, Bitcoin is bullish, right? I mean, we've talked about that before. And I keep repeating it. I mean, there's so many bullish fundamental events that it's hard to be bearish on Bitcoin. But then you also look at the volume as compared to the start of this week, and that has dropped down significantly. It has also grown a little bit, but not that much when compared to the last 2 days. Last 2 days it's still down, and then like I said, open interest is pretty flat as well. Now, if there was a big increase in the open interest and the volume was around 35 billion, then I would have said there's a chance that Bitcoin still spikes up. But for now, it does seem more likely that we'll get a bit more of a pullback down towards the levels between 42,600 and 42,000. Well, 42,000 round. That would be my first price target, and from there we'll see again. I mean, frankly, I do think we have quite a bit of liquidity down there. I'll have to look it up. I mean, yeah, so there's quite a lot of liquidity at 41,000. That seems a little bit low. There's quite a lot at 44,600 as well. So a spike up is definitely a possibility. I've also talked about that in the premium group, that we'll get one more spike and then a drop. So I would say that's possible too. But right now, if you look at the technicals, we've actually had a bit of a bearish breakout here. So I think it's more likely that Bitcoin will drop down towards 42,100 and 42,000. And then what I expect for now is that we might spike down a little bit lower, but I do expect that level to hold. And then we'll start talking about whether from there a move up to 44,500 is possible again. That's what I expect for now. I mean, overall, I do think the market is getting a little bit more choppy, to talk about the general market. So that means that most altcoins will probably be difficult to trade. Just so you know. Apart from that, we also have some big economic news with the non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate. Economic news like this hasn't made Bitcoin move much in the last couple of weeks. So I doubt that it will do that right now, but it is Friday. Fridays are quite volatile usually, so volatility is still to be expected. I think it's most likely it will be bearish, but in general, like I said, there still is a lot of liquidity at 44,500 too. So don't be surprised. Know what the possibilities are, and those are my thoughts on Bitcoin. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And lastly, make sure to sign up with Bybit now that you still can. Great exchange to use. I'm partnered with them, but if you use them, you have the lowest fees. You'll have a ton of cryptos, way more than Binance, to trade on spot and futures. And apart from that, the funding rates there are also great if you're a trader. All right. But check it out. For now, thank you for watching. Those are my thoughts on Bitcoin. I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.